YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Stealth with another video for you guys. Today we are taking the G8 to get tint, finally. I know I've been told in the comments about the fishbowl and everything. I don't want to hear it no more. Today we getting tint and we're gonna fix that very, very quickly and very, very soon. I'm on the way there right now. GPS is telling me about 40 minutes, so I don't know, maybe I'll put you guys up on the head mount and get you a POV, but I'm thinking I want to start the POV after I get the tint. So let me make up some time on this trip real quick because I really don't feel like driving for 40 minutes. And then I'll pick you guys up and let you know when I get a little closer. All right, you guys, what's going on? I made it to the spot. I didn't get to record that much because it was so much traffic. I just had to try and maneuver through it, but it's inside right now getting tinted. I'm at a shop in Jersey called Exclusive Tinted. Right there, I don't know if you guys can see it. If you do want to get tint done, they gave me a real good price. Plus I told them I'll shout them out on my socials or whatever. So if you do want to get your tint done, make sure you come to Exclusive Tinting right here. It's in Newark, New Jersey. But yeah, hopefully, I don't want it too dark, obviously, because I make the POVs and everything, but I definitely want something because I don't like people just being able to see right in through my glass. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, I'm hoping they just finish it fast. That way I can get this POV made for you guys. I will pick up the camera though, because they told me about an hour, so I'll pick up the camera once a little bit of this weight goes. All right, you guys, so the tint is currently almost done being put on. I might give you guys a sneak peek real quick, something quick, and then it's done. It's almost done getting put on, so I'll let you go. I'm gonna put this on. I appreciate you, man. Make sure you guys come check out right here. Exclusive window tinting. They do the best job, man. You guys come check them out and you tell them I sent you, and they'll get you right. It's a good promotion going on until the end of the year, so make sure you come get your tint if you need it. All right, you guys, so it's all finished up. As you can see, no more fishbowl. Everything's crispy. All looks good. The edges all look good. Like I said, if you need anything done, make sure you come here. Exclusive window tinting. It's in Newark, New Jersey, and he'll take care of you. Tell him I sent you. All right, y'all, I'm in the car now. You're not gonna be able to see that much of a difference because the camera's not gonna show it that well. It never does, but it is done. Finally, no more fishbowl. Y'all can see the back. Feels good, man. That fishbowl was annoying, bro. I feel like when you have no tint, like I feel like everybody's just looking at you at all times. I do think though that I'm about to hook you guys up to the POV angle and get you some just driving clips. So let me get to that real quick. Camera's picking it up, but like when you drive in Jersey, you can literally hear the pebbles and the rocks and all that kicking up onto your car. Like I bought my car 4 months ago, and my paint on my front bumper, bro, the dude had the car from brand new in 2009. No rock chips, none of that. Yo, I've had the car for 4 months and the front bumper has gotten destroyed, bro. Like it's so annoying. That's the cost of living in Jersey, I guess. We're living in the north, period, honestly. I feel like when I go down south, it's nowhere near as bad. car sounds like from an outside perspective, like, 'cause I don't really. Alright, you guys, I just gave the G8 a quick wash real quick because it was just mad dirty. It took me like 30 minutes. Gave it a quick wash, but as you can see, this is how the tint turned out. It looks real good, man. I gotta blur that out, but as you can see, you can't see in from any angle really. I mean, if the sun's shining through, maybe, but came out real good, man. I like it. I didn't want anything too dark because, like I said, you guys got to be able to see. And yeah, I don't want to blind you guys and then mess up. I don't want to blind you guys and then mess up my POVs and everything. So this is what I went with. I really do hope you guys like it. But if you do want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Without further ado, I'm out. Peace.